Welcome to the Pro10 CRM system demonstration. The Pro10 CRM system is an all-in-one customer relationship management system. Enrollment includes a customized account setup, access to the Pro10 CRM software platform, video tutorials, software training webinars, and daily promotional webinars. Anyone you send information to regarding products or the business opportunity via the Pro10 CRM system will be invited to a daily promotional webinar automatically. Once a contact is entered in our system, you will have the ability to accomplish multiple tasks with a single click of the mouse. Tasks such as sending a customized email, setting up an appointment, and placing your contact on a quarterly newsletter are accomplished with a single click. Every account activity is recorded, and contact actions such as opening an email are tracked automatically. The software is very user-friendly. After watching 10 to 15 minutes of video tutorials on our website, most of our clients are up and running. If you need additional assistance, we offer a free software training webinar every Sunday at 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Daily webinars. The daily webinar topics include company overview, the business model, product education, scientific research review, the business opportunity, and software training. The webinars are held every night between 7 and 10 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. The Scientific Article Library. The Scientific Article Library is a compilation of downloadable peer-reviewed scientific journal articles arranged by disease processes. This makes it easy to locate peer-reviewed journal articles about NRF2 activation and oxidative stress. This Scientific Article Library is a free service. To view the library, go ahead and go to pro10crm.com, and it's the number 10. Pro10crm.com, and you can access the library for free. We don't charge for that. The affiliate program. We do not currently offer an affiliate program, but the best way to refer clients to us is via our software. The incentive for referring distributors in your downline is the potential of increasing their sales and retention, which translates into increased commissions for you. So without further ado, let's get started on the demonstration. First task I'm going to do is adding a contact. So after you log into the system, you see in the upper left-hand corner, you're going to mouse over Contacts, and you're going to go to New, and you're going to left-click. You'll enter the first name, last name, phone number, and email at a minimum, and then you'll hit Save. So after you do that, a contact is going to be created within the system. It looks sort of like this. Now the next step is to activate an automation process. So we'll go over to the right side here and click on View Automation Processes. At this point, you're going to hit the drop down and you're going to select which automation process. So let's say for interest, they were interested in Pro10 CRM software. Now what you see here is that it says interested Pro10 CRM software plus 1-day follow-up. When you click that, it's going to tell you what's going to happen when you confirm and activate. It's going to send an email out with more information. They're going to be able to watch videos. They're going to be able to get the information they need to make a decision. It's going to tag their file that they're interested in the software, and it's going to set up an appointment 1 day later, and the appointment's going to let you know what happened and what to do on that at that appointment. An additional trigger is going to trigger a newsletter. It says 1 minute, but this newsletter will actually start in 1 month. So if I confirm and activate, the person's placed on, and all of that happens just with one click of the mouse. So let's say, for instance, oops, I put them on this by accident. Let me go over here, click it, click here, remove from all check campaigns, OK. All campaigns have a 1 minute delay. So that gives you a minute to take them off the campaign before the email is sent, so you don't make any mistakes. So let's go back and take a look at this contact and see what else we can do in the file. Next step is editing a contact. So let's say, for instance, we want to change the phone number. We're going to go here to Edit, click. Let's change the phone number and put a 2 at the end instead of a 1 and go save that. Now you've updated the file. Next step would be, let's say we want to delete this file altogether. We'd go to Delete, and then we'd hit OK, and at that point, this would be deleted. Next step is, let's say we're at home and we have someone in particular that we're looking for. So let's go in the right upper hand corner in the search, and I'm going to look for Test 2. That's the first name, Test 2, and then you would space, and then the last name. And there they are. We'll click that. It opens their file up. So now what we can do is we're in Test 2's file. Now let's navigate around here a little bit. You see this little B over here to the right side of the screen with a 0 next to it. When you click that, that's called a buzz index. And what that means is this tracks all of the emails that have been opened by that contact. So if that contact opens an email 1 time, it will be 5 points. 2 times will be 10 points, and so on and so forth. Now what else is nice is if this person forwards an email to someone else and they open it, it also tracks that. So it gives you an idea of the interest level of your clients. Now let's go down here and take a look. This person's on a auto ship, is inactive on a product. Okay, so I've sent them that. And let's go down and see what's happened here. We can look right there and we can see everything that's happened with this client. Everything is time and date stamped. We can also look on the right and see pending appointments for this person and recent notes. So let's go back to the home page. Next, I want to take a look at this appointment. So let's go ahead and look at this appointment and see what it is. The subject line will be here. These are automated appointments I'm going to talk about. Subject will be here, and then there'll be notes down here to give you an idea of why you're calling and what you need to say. Now when you're done with this appointment, you can either delete it here, or you can go to the home page, click next to it, click here, confirm, and then it will complete that appointment for you. Next step I want to go into is manually sending an email. Now most of your emails are going to be going to automatically go out through the campaigns. So you're not going to manually send too many emails, but let's say you want to. Let's go over here to the right to hit send email. This is similar to how, say, a Gmail or an AOL account would be, to where you're going to manually type the subject, you're going to have your signature that populates, and once you're done with that, you simply hit next, and then send via SalesOptima, and it goes out instantly. And it also logs in everything that's been sent over to the left. Now let's look at manually setting up an appointment. So what's important to know is let's go in and look at these automation processes. You see these plus 5-day follow-up, plus 1-day follow-up. That's how you know that there is an appointment scheduled for you. And in those cases, you don't have to manually schedule an appointment. But let's say, for instance, you're talking to someone and they said, I want you to call me tomorrow morning at 9 o'clock. You go to here to New Appointment, right upper hand corner. You can put the subject in. We're going to go to tomorrow at 9 a.m. and we're going to click Save. And I didn't describe the purpose of it, so let's just put something in here. And now we click Save. And it's going to set the appointment up for you over here. Next step is viewing the appointment list. Now, when your appointments become overdue, they're going to show up right here. Okay, and they become overdue fairly quickly after they were scheduled. So personally, I just work off of this list here. Okay, now if you want to work ahead, right upper hand corner, you're going to go to My Appointments. You're going to be able to view any of your appointments that are on this list. So if you want to search on the left here, like I want to look at my appointments for the 14th, I don't have any. Appointments for the 8th, same thing. But if you did, you could separate your appointments by day. And what's nice about this is you can work ahead on your appointments if you would like to. So let's go back home. So what we have here is we have a software platform that it automates most of the tasks that you would normally be manually entering, emails, appointments, newsletters, things of this nature that you could possibly use multiple software platforms to accomplish. And this is an all-in-one solution. So I hope you enjoyed the webinar. I I'll be available if you have any questions. Just give me a call at the number that's at the bottom of the email I had sent you. And I look forward to speaking with you. Have a great day. Take care.